Let's find out what are the top 5 cryptos to buy in November. Number 1, Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin is in our list today for obvious reasons. If you're paying attention to the recent news, you already know that Bitcoin has hit its all-time high. Most recently, the creator of the BTC price model Plan B said that the Bitcoin bull market's second leg has started. The term bull market refers to a positive trend in the prices of a market. It is broadly used not only in the cryptocurrency space, but also in the traditional markets as stocks. In short, a bull market concerns a strong market uptrend that presents meaningful rising prices over a relatively short period of time. The price projection model insists that Bitcoin's value will keep on growing until at least $288,000 per token due to the halving. Halving is an event that takes place every 4 years and reduces BTC's issuance rate by half against its 21 million supply cap. It's like the World Cup of cryptocurrencies, where Bitcoin is always the winning team. So halving starts a new crypto market cycle where BTC can reach levels we've never seen before. Notably, Bitcoin has undergone 3 halvings so far in 2012, 2016, and 2020. Each event decreased the cryptocurrency's new supply rate by 50%, which was followed by notable increases in BTC's price. For instance, the first 2 halvings prompted the BTC price to rise by over 10,000% and 2,960% respectively. Despite the high price projections, Bitcoin can still see big corrections in the future. Plan B thinks the new crash could wipe at least 80% of Bitcoin's market capitalization based on its model. This is an aspect we should look at, trying to remain cautious despite such bullish predictions. Dan Moorhead, CEO of Pantera Capital, said in mid-October that the next Bitcoin price drop will be less than 80%, citing a consistent drop in selling sentiment after each halving cycle. So yes, it's time to be optimistic, but don't be guided by the market emotions, which is not always rational as it should be. November seems to be a good month to buy BTC, but don't be reckless. Number 2, Harmony. By the end of October, One hit a new all-time high following a series of major partnerships and the launch of a $300 million ecosystem development fund. Ecosystem development funds have become one of the latest market-moving trends in the crypto sector, and protocols with large treasuries have discovered that incentive programs are one of the best ways to attract new users and protocols to a project. Harmony is a blockchain protocol focused on improving scalability between networks, and unfortunately many people don't know Harmony's potential yet. The project uses cross-shared contracts infrastructure among multiple blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, polkadot, and the Binance Smart Chain. And here are 3 main reasons why we believe Harmony could be an amazing investment for November. Number 1, its ecosystem development fund attracts new talent. Harmony announced a $300 million ecosystem development fund on September 9th, and this appears to be driving force behind the rally seen in One over the past 2 months. Most recently, the project released a timeline for the year ahead that plans to spend $180 million from Q4 2021 through Q3 2022 to help fund 100 decentralized autonomous organizations. Number 2, One World Conference attracts a crowd. Its ongoing One World Conference in Lisbon is helping to educate the public about the capabilities of the Harmony network. It has attracted new developers to build in the ecosystem, as well as investors willing to put their money into the project. Number 3, protocol integrations and token listings. A third reason for the momentum seen in One has been a series of partnerships, including integrations with decentralized finance DeFi platforms such as Avi and Curve. The addition of 2 of the most widely used DeFi applications in the crypto cryptocurrency ecosystem has helped increase the reach and user base of the Harmony blockchain, which offers much lower transaction fees for users of the popular protocols. Number 3. Solana Sol. Sol price continues to climb with Solana total value locked (TVL) also hitting a new high of nearly $14 billion. For those who aren't familiar with the term, total value locked (TVL) in the context of cryptocurrency represents the sum of all assets deposited in decentralized finance DeFi protocols, earning rewards, interest, new coins and tokens, fixed income, etc. Solana's native coin Sol's price edged up on October 25 in the wake of a market wide led by Bitcoin (BTC). And we have 3 reasons why we believe Sol will keep raising in November. Bitcoin's run up to its new record high of $67,000 by the end of October resulted in the total Solana market capitalization passing the $2.5 trillion mark, a new milestone for the cryptocurrency. This market movement around Bitcoin helped to push Sol higher, and with such bullish prediction to Bitcoin in the first quarter, the trend is Solana being beneficiary as well. As we already mentioned, the Solana TVL hit a record high, surpassing a new record of $13.53 billion. Sol price technicals, as Cointelegraph has reported, the technical outlook could send Sol to levels to almost $250, especially in this fourth quarter. So Solana should definitely receive our attention in November. Number 4. Flow. Flow is targeting a better performance as Dapper Labs expands in the market. In case you don't know or don't remember, Flow is a governance token designed to power the entire Dapper Labs network, which is growing absurdly fast during this year. Recently, Dapper Labs head of partnership said that sport leagues opened their arms to NFTs amid the sector booming growth this year. In an interview at Yahoo Finance All Markets Summit, Dapper Labs head of partnership Katie Tedman said that the stance of professional sporting organizations suddenly shifted regarding NFTs. Dapper emerged as a pioneer in officially licensed sport NFTs when it launched NBA Top Shot in late 2020. The firm has since inked partnerships with other major sporting franchises, including the National Football League (NFL), the Women's National Basketball Association (YNBA), the Spanish soccer organization La Liga, and the Ultimate Fighting Championship (UFC). According to data from CryptoSlam, NBA Top Shot NFTs have generated more than $32 million worth of secondary sales in October, with a figure representing 58% increase compared to the month before. Cointelegraph reported that daily trade volume for NBA Top Shot NFTs surged more than 4,400% after the project launched its retro Run It Back 2005-06 packs on October 15. All these transactions happen by using the Flow token that has been more and more demanded. So with all this famous partnership with sports leagues, Flow tends to attract many investors, especially those who are engaged and enthusiastic with many sports in general. Plus, Dapper Labs is one of the most known and respectable networks dealing with NFTs focused on the sports genre. And that's what makes the project so unique. Number 5. Stellar XLM. The Stellar Development Foundation (SDF) has announced that it will facilitate a new remittance channel between Europe and Africa using the USDC stablecoin. This is amazing news once it increases the use cases of Stellar coins. As we always mention here, more use cases suggests a higher demand for a coin over time. The higher the demand, the higher the price goes. Just keep that in mind. They will do it through a partnership with Flutterwave, a global payments technology company. The CEO at Flutterwave commented that it's more expensive to send money to sub-Saharan Africa than to any other region in the world. He added that the new partnership will help to expand the network and bring all important cost-effective money transfer services to African American business owners. Flutterwave claims to have processed more than 140 million transactions worth over $9 billion to date, serving over 290,000 businesses, including Uber, Booking.com, and Facebook. The firm already has an infrastructure in more than 33 African countries, including Nigeria, Rwanda, Uganda, Kenya, and South Africa. Africa has become a key market for payment companies because a lot of the population remains unbanked. However, remittances have fallen during pandemic-induced lockdowns, with Africa.com reporting a 28% drop in remittances to Nigeria last year. And that's where Stellar's new partnership with Flutterwave stands out from any other competitors. Guys, we're getting to the end of this video, and we'd like to remind you that none of this information should be taken as investment advice. This video was made to be a starting point for your research, not the final answer of what asset you should buy. We are not financial advisors. That being said, if you're new here, remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications by clicking on the bell. Also, if you want the best market condition to invest in cryptocurrency, just check our gifts and bonuses in description. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the like button to help us reach more people on YouTube. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.